Something we talk about a lot today is the aging workforce. There's a real concern that there's a gray wave, that folks will be leaving the workforce and that maybe there won't be enough people to do all the jobs that need to be done. What we can do as businesses is bring people together in multi-generational teams. I've seen this at work myself when I've gone to visit, say, a factory and found decades-long veterans at work on the floor with the help of a digital native, tackling some of the problems of applying data analysis to the old processes that we used to follow there, finding new ways to be innovative. And what I hear back from employees is the new members of our organization appreciate all the years of experience that our veterans bring to the table. Together, we can really make it happen.